Okay, now let's open this cookie box. Royal Dansk. So that's have 5 different types of cookies in here. 1, 2, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many inside there, but according to this, they say there's let's see. They say here, they says here, this is 60 servings, but each serving is 4 cookies. That's mean 240 cookies inside here. Let's see, is that true? Is this right? That's my, because that's my RAM, as I guess. So I'm not sure. Is this inside? Is the same? So let's open it. And they have a tab here. Let's see. Here, the tab, a connection here. That's the end of the tab here. Let me open it. As I think I bought it $8 and $9. That's a whole box. You like it? You hear the sound? Do you like the sound when you removing the tab? Oh, I could cut the tab somewhere. The tab, again, disconnections in here. I'll do it later. Let's open it, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, I still got some tape stuck right here. Here. Okay. In the previous video, I told you I don't know how to say these because this is a flag. It's not a flag. It's kind of pop up here. I think it's a kind of ray or something like that. It means it's on the top with the flag stuff. It's a nice box. It's a very nice box. I keep it to hold for something. And let me move the camera up so you can see the inside. Let me go to the side to see what inside here. In here, they have a piece of paper for you to see chocolate, the recipe or something like that. Chocolate cake, a delicious cold chocolate cake with a crumbled Royal Dansk butter cookies. Yeah, they have recipes here for 4 servings. You need this stuff, and here the instruction how to do it. So if you want to do it, go ahead to do it. But I don't think I do it. I eat it. That's it. Okay, here the cookie. How's that? Nice? You like it? Let me hold right here. So it's right here, okay? Let me mark right here. There's 2 here. It's similar, so I start from here to count toward the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now stack inside. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did I count right? I think right. 20. 20s, and how many dip? Let me see. 1. Oops, I have to take all of them out. And 1 top one. 2. No, this one. I count this one on this side, so I don't count. So it's one. The second dip. Three. One more dip in here. So that's 4 dip. 4 levels. So 4 levels. That's the 24 levels is the 80s. 80s, and how many cookies on each one? 2, 3. So 80 by 3 is 240. So it's correct. It's correct. So the next time when you see these, you can count by yourself. Okay. This is 80 by 3 is 240. So this is in a 60 by 4 is 240. Okay. So that's the 240 cookies in here. Okay. So if you want to count all them again to make sure I right. Okay, let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 is the first level. Okay, the first level 20. So next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's the second level. It's the 20. One more? More. Okay. Let's finish up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, the third level 20. So 23 times is 60. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's each level 20. It's 4 of them is 80. 80, but each bag of each bag of cookie, they have 3 cookies in here. So 3, and you have to times 3. It's 240. Okay, that's another interesting. That's why I look like I waste my time. I kill my time, is right? Counting piece by piece. Okay, how many in this side? They have a different. They have outside this show is the 5 different types of cookie. So that's the one time. That's the one second time. This is this is the first. This one the first one, second one, the third one, the third different, the fourth and the fifth. So it's different. 1, 2, 3. Actually one here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 different types. So 5 each. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 each. 4 by 3, 12, and 4 level up. So 48 for each. 48 is right. Okay, 4 level by 12. That's a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is a 12. 12 and 4 is a 48. 48 each, and 96. And another one is 96. Is a 192. And another 92, and another 48 is 240. Okay. See, I pulled a whole thing is out here. So thank you for watching. See you next video if I have something to show you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.